Hey guys, we're back with another video. So in this video, I'll be telling you how to fix your Xbox when the disc readers are working. See, it's not working for me right now, so I close. It doesn't really even try. It will just say open tray. So now I will tell you what to do when your disc reader isn't working. Oh yeah, so the first thing you want to do is to clean your disc. So we put soap on your disc. Sorry. And then you want to spread the soap all over your disc, like this. Then you will want to wash the disc off. And then dry your disc. So now you have a clean disc, and make sure there's no water on it. Okay, so now you're back at your Xbox. So put the disc in, tilt your Xbox like this, and hold it like this. Then what you have to do is close the disc and smack the Xbox like heck right here. Right here. So just watch me and just do the same thing. Do this. Oh wait, hold on. I should switch your voice control with somewhere else. Because we'll read longer, but when it says open tray, then open the tray, put it back in, and just do the same thing. It can take multiple times. Okay guys, let's do this. So, this game might take a while. You have to literally use full strength, no holding back, rapid fire, if you want it to work. It's really, really hard. So, let's do this. So I understand now it's 2016, Xbox is starting to get old, and I was not ready. Okay. Let's do this. 3, 2, 1. And I accidentally clicked the arrow, I think. No! Okay. Yeah, sometimes your tray will automatically open for some reason. No! Freaking voice control, I'm gonna kick your butt. Cancel the voice control, just cancel. Close tray, there. No, it actually did it! Now is it ready? Stop opening. It didn't open, it just has to open.
Are you trying to break your Xbox?
Okay, it took a little break. It gets tiring. You might have to take some breaks. Oh my goodness. What really kills it is when the tray automatically opens. That's really stupid. But we're getting there. You just have to keep doing it. Trust me guys, it works. And I can see that I clicked the arrow this time, that's my fault. The freak? Just close. Stay closed. I'm done with this. I'm just gonna take another break. Wait. It's working? Yes! It worked! Okay. See? So, it worked, you guys. Violence always leads to answers. Alright, well, I hope this helps you. Guys, okay, goodbye.